All right, everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you're getting excited for that big baby PengolinCoin pre-sale. Get your Clever ready. I'm going to do a quick video here on how to purchase baby PengolinCoin using Clever. All right, so if you haven't already done so, you want to get your Clever wallet. You can get that by going to www.clever.io and downloading the wallet. You're going to get some Clever in that wallet. You can do so a couple different ways. You can get it on their exchange or another exchange on bitcoin.me and send it over to your Clever wallet. Lists of exchanges are on CoinMarketCap. Or you can send some crypto to Clever wallet and swap it out for some Clever. Just make sure that whatever crypto you're sending over is swappable with Clever token. All right, so after you do that, you're going to add baby PengolinCoin token to your wallet. You do so by going up to the bar on the first page, and you're going to put in BPGOK, and it should come up. If it doesn't, go hit that plus key next to it, and you're going to add baby PengolinCoin by using its contract address, BPGOK-10PP, and put it, it'll show up in your wallet, and it'll be put there for you when you get your tokens. All right, so on the first page of your wallet, on the bottom left-hand corner, when you open it up, you're going to see a globe. Click on that globe. It'll bring you to the Clever browser. In the top browser space there where it says search or type of web address, you're going to put Rare Canvas's web address, and I'll give that to you in a second. All links will be listed in the description of the video for you, too. All right, when you do that, the Rare Canvas website will pop up, but I already have it saved here, so I'm just going to put it up there for you. And you can see the top there, it says rarecanvas.art //BPGOK-10PP. And it brings you here to Rare Canvas's website. You can see here the pre-sale is in 5 days or so. It says in the bottom left, connect in blue. You're going to connect your wallet. It's not going to work now because the pre-sale is not live yet. But when it is, connect your wallet, and your balance is going to show up, your balance of Clever. So select the percentage. Hopefully it's 100%. Of the Clever you're going to use to purchase baby PengolinCoin. It'll tell you how much you're going to receive, and you're going to click buy. It's going to ask for your approval for the transaction. Once you enter your passcode, the transaction will go through, and you'll receive your baby PengolinCoins in your Clever wallet. The minimum and maximum amount you see will change. The maximum amount will be 10 million per transaction. So if you want more, you can just keep buying. When you get your tokens, it should be in your wallet under the baby PengolinCoin avatar there in your wallet. And make sure you stake your tokens. You need to stake your tokens if you want to get rewards with baby PengolinCoin. All right, I hope that's easy for you. I hope I didn't miss anything. Have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Have a giveaway going, so make sure you enter that. And watch out for more giveaways and news before the pre-sale. And we'll see you in Telegram or one of the other channels. If you could leave a like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, it'd be appreciated. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you on the next video.